Hi guys, welcome to the Weekend Dev Challenge by CodeChef. So this is the last video of the Weekend Dev Challenge 26. In the previous part, we started working on a memory matching game. So in the previous part, we just done a small HTML document. So in this, we'll be adding the normal logic behind that. So let's get started. So initially, we have a list that is called cards, and we have all the emojis there. That is basically apple, rocket, dog, star, music, fire, gift followed by football, something. So these are the emojis. We have two of each. So then we have to extract this thing from the HTML. So that is the game board, moves, time and reset button. Initially we'll set the first to null, second to null, moves as 0, time as 0, match cards is 0 till now, nothing is matched, time started is not at started, false, and then the timer. Now here we have to first shuffle it. Basically we arrange all these and then we have to shuffle. So how do we shuffle is basically we have a function shuffle, so where it iterates through from 0 till the card length, that is 15. Now after that it swaps two cards. So they basically it randomly chooses this one and randomly swaps it. So that's how it works. So once this swapping is done, then we have a function called start timer. So the timer starts, it changes every 1 second, that is 1000 milliseconds, and then it is incremented by 1 after every 1 second. Now then we have the setup game function. So in this, initially the HTML is nothing, the moves is 0, time is 0, match cards is 0, and time started is false. Initially this is the condition. Now after that we have to catch the moves. So basically moves text or text content, whatever the text written on the moves is basically the number of moves, and timer set is initially set to 0 seconds, and then it keeps on changing. Now after that we call the shuffle function. This one shuffle function is called. Now here the main program starts. Now it shuffles the card properly, and then we have the card name. In our HTML is nothing for now, and then the card value, that is the index of that particular card. After that we have the event listener, where when we click on that particular card, it flips. The card is flipping. Now after that it should again remain in the same board, this thing. So we are using append child, so it remains on the same layout, whatever it is. Now we have the flip card, we just flip card, but we have not added any function for that. So now for the flip card function, we have the card input. If a timer is not yet started, when you click on that, then start the timer, it set it to true. And now once you click the card, it clicks. When you click on the second card, if the second card is not matching, then you return it back. If the second card is matching, if the card is equal to the first and it matches the second, then we say matched, and then we do not flip it back. So now, if you have not selected any card, if the first card is null, then whatever you have selected becomes the first, or else if the card is selected, then whatever the card you select now, it becomes the second. Moves is increased by 1. After that, we have to check match. So how do we check match? It is mentioned here. If the first value is equal to second value, if the first card is equal to second card, then we say it is matched, and then we increase the card matched by 2 plus 2, because both two cards have matched. After that, we reset every card. We set all the other cards. Now if the match card is equal to the card's length, so if the number of match card is 15 is equal to 15, 16 is equal to 16, then we say that we stop the timer. We say you won in number of moves whatever the user has taken, followed by the number of time whatever the user has taken. Or else if it is not matching, then we flip everything back. If both the cards we are flipping it back, then we are resetting it. Simple. Let me run the program now. So I'll play this game with you. Now let me click on the first one. Let's see which card is it. Rocket. I have to find the rocket now. So I have to just keep flipping and checking what if I get the proper card. Music I had seen somewhere. Yeah, music. You can see. So these two have matched. Now dog and dog have matched. Gift and gift have matched. Fire and fire match. Football match. Football match. Apple and rocket match. Apple and apple, star and star. Yeah, the game is done. It says you won in 18 moves and 30 seconds. I took 18 moves to solve this with 30 seconds. So let me click on OK. Let me submit the program now. So I hope you guys have understood the solution. If you have any doubts, let me in the comments below. I'll make sure I'll answer them all. So that's passed, and that's it for this video. That's it for this weekend as well. If you want to practice more such problems or get yourself ready for interviews, then you can go pro on CodeChef. And you can solve all these problems on the CodeChef platform. So check out the CodeChef platform right now. And I'll see you in the next weekend. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.